Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to find out if your call has been diverted and how you can simply turn off call divert on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone dialer. So I'm going to click on here to open up my phone dialer. The next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you click on carrier features. The next thing you need to do is to select your line. Then simply click on call forwarding. Then it's going to take you right here. So right here, always forward. So if you see any number right here, it simply means that your call has been diverted. And for you to turn it off, what you need to do is to simply click on the particular link right here, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on turn off right here. And just like what you see right here, always forward has been turned off. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.